my heart.
From the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park in Nederland and Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range. High wind warning in effect from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? Southwest winds 30 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour expected. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the Northern Front Range foothills. Strongest winds will occur on east-facing slopes of the Front Range. When? From 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly.